Welcome, dear viewer, to the beginning of a transformative journey. This path to fitness will test your resolve, challenging not just your body, but your spirit and mindset. As daunting as these first steps may seem, remember, it is the act of moving forward, however small the step, that marks the start of a healthier you. The journey ahead will ask you to engage in a dialogue with your body, understanding its needs and limits. Together, guided by patience and persistence, we'll navigate the initial challenges, laying the groundwork for a routine that aligns with your unique fitness goals. As we venture forward, let's embrace the journey's challenges as opportunities for growth, armed with the knowledge that each step is a building block towards personal growth. Embarking on this path, the significance of beginning cannot be overstated. It's here in the inception of full body workouts, where efficiency meets effectiveness. These foundational routines not only streamline your fitness regime, but align closely with the principles of holistic well being. As we delve into the myriad benefits of engaging all major muscle groups simultaneously, we uncover the beauty of balanced physical development. The philosophy underpinning full body workouts isn't about exhaustive sessions, but constructing a resilient, enduring physique attuned to life's rhythms. Join us as we illuminate the pathway to integrated fitness, setting the stage for deeper exploration. Before we accelerate, preparing the ground for a safe and effective workout is crucial. Consider this the blueprint for your fitness journey, emphasizing safety, understanding your tools, and setting realistic goals. Safety measures, like the right footwear and staying hydrated, are not just guidelines, but essential practices. Equally, knowing the equipment, from resistance bands to yoga mats, empowers your workout. Remember, progress over perfection. This segment is your springboard, the foundational knowledge ensuring you start right. As we move together, let each step be informed, intentional, and toward a healthier you. The journey now leads us to an essential prelude to action, the warm up. Often underestimated, warming up is the primer for your body's best performance. It's the gentle knock on the door before entering, preparing your body and mind for the exertion to come. Through dynamic stretches and movements mirroring upcoming exercises, we aim to awaken your muscles gently, setting the stage for optimal performance and minimized injury risk. This segment is not merely a start, but a crucial step in tuning your body's orchestra for the symphony of exercises to follow. With the stage set, we embark on strengthening our upper body. This chapter introduces exercises designed for beginners, focusing on form and technique. Each movement, from arm raises to push ups, is a brick in the foundation of resilience. Remember, the goal transcends physical strength, it's about fortifying the will. The journey through the upper body is just the beginning, as we prepare to shift focus, exploring the strength and stability of our lower body next. Transitioning from the upper to the lower body, we explore the bastion of our strength, the foundation upon which we stand. This segment celebrates the power and balance housed in our lower body, from steadfast squats to pioneering lunges. Each exercise is a narrative of overcoming, a reflection of stepping confidently into growth. Engaging these routines, we don't just seek to strengthen muscles, but to craft a legacy of determination, laying down the stepping stones toward holistic well being and balanced movement through life.